Ali Abdaal, 4 million subscribers, $4.6 million in annual revenue. His story is an outstanding example of how a student vlog can turn into a multi-million-dollar business. Let's take a deep dive in what makes Ali's YouTube business thrive and what we can learn from him. Two pillars are fundamental to Ali's success: a loyal audience and smart income streams. Starting with the audience. Ali is known for creating content about productivity, self-development, tech, YouTube advice, investment, book reviews, skincare, sleep routine, and more. Each of these niches is extremely competitive, yet Ali manages to rank high in all of them. How does he do this? The answer can actually give us insight into how the YouTube algorithm works. Ali started super niche, making the best out of the advantages he had at the time. As a medicine student at Cambridge University, he created videos about studying medicine and featured the university logo on each thumbnail, leveraging the authority associated with the institution. Ali made over 60 videos about studying medicine before venturing outside of his niche and creating a video about his desk setup, which is currently at 440,000 views, far more than other videos from that time. His first major breakthrough came with his How to Study for Exams videos, which accumulated millions of views. 1 year and 100 videos later, Ali hit 50,000 subscribers, and his niche expanded to study tips, tech, personal vlogs, and videos about his work as a junior doctor. He shifted his focus to a wider niche and very much stopped making videos about studying medicine, which didn't appeal to his new followers. This shift propelled him to 100,000 subscribers, and from that point, his growth accelerated. 2 years after starting, Ali hit 1 million subscribers and 1 million in annual revenue. His video topics continued to evolve as his interests expanded, covering how to invest, how to buy a new Tesla half price, and importantly, growing on YouTube videos, which are fundamental to his success. Today, Ali is at 4 million subscribers and an annual revenue of $4.6 million. To maintain such a large audience engaged, his videos cover much broader topics such as books, productivity, self-development, tech, and making money. Expanding your niche takes time, but you don't have to wait to monetize your audience. Ali could find ways to make products his audience loved at every level, from courses for aspiring medical students to much more complex projects he works on today. Although Ali's channel is huge, not every channel of his size generates similar revenue. So where is the money coming from, and could he increase his revenue even further by filling one missing link? I created a detailed pie chart of Ali's income streams with all the numbers from last year. YouTube ad revenue, or what YouTube paid Ali for showing ads on his videos, was $653,000, making it one of his smallest income streams and the one least influenced by the creator. The average RPM, or revenue per thousand views, on his channel is about $5. The next level is revenue paid directly by companies. This includes affiliate income paid when people purchase products via links in video description, such as Amazon, and direct sponsorships on various platforms, including YouTube, newsletters, and Instagram. Promotions are typically not integrated. Ali simply talks about the sponsor in the middle of the video. Together, affiliate income and sponsorships brought in over $1 million in revenue. The next slice of the pie is mind-blowing. Have you heard of Skillshare, an online course platform? Ali hosts a number of lessons or short courses on this platform, which he promotes in his videos. Viewers new to Skillshare can watch them as part of a free trial. In the past, Ali and other teachers were paid up to $10 for each free trial, as well as a portion of subscription fees from people they referred, and a commission for each minute someone watched their courses. Today, Skillshare doesn't pay for free trials anymore, with the exception of certain promotions. But affiliates still receive a significant portion of subscription fees and payments for watch time. In any case, last year, Ali's Skillshare revenue came up to $778,000. Pretty crazy, isn't it? Now we've come to the largest and most interesting part, Ali's own products. DIY or information-only courses and merch earned him $244,000, and his signature program on how to grow a YouTube channel earned a staggering $1,758,000. This is a cohort-based program where all the students join at the same time, and one of the most impressive things is that there has never been a massive promotion where this program was heavily pushed in every video, newsletter, and 10 webinars. The best promotion for this course is Ali's regular videos about his business, revenue, and YouTube growth. Being open about his YouTube journey creates a lot of trust and a generous return. Remember, I told you that there is a missing link in this impressive business. Let me show you Ali's product line and you see the gap. The classic structure for an online business is to have an entry-level product that appeals to a wide audience, like a book or a short tutorial, priced between $10 and $100, a mid-level product, usually a DIY or information-based course priced under $2,000. These are prices for the UK and US audience. And a high-end offer, consulting services, or a signature program with a lot of personal support, priced at $2,000 plus. For a long time, Ali's Skillshare courses served as entry-level offers, and his part-time YouTube Academy as a high-end offer priced between $2,000 and $5,000. There was no mid-level product at all. Last year, he released a Creatorpreneur course at $800, which partly filled the gap, but not quite. That's because this course is about scaling up and building systems and a team to earn $100,000 per year, which is essentially about becoming a professional creator, and relatively few people reach this level. Compare this with a more general course about growing on YouTube, which would have a much wider potential audience. While I was preparing this video, Ali announced that he's retiring his part-time YouTube Academy and replacing it with 2 new products. A properly high-end offer that includes a lot of personalized support and feedback and that is not available under $5,000, and a new mysterious course. My vote is for a more general YouTube course with a price tag between $1,000 and $1,500. This would be a perfect mid-level product that, together with Ali's upcoming book, would complete his product line. As Ali says, the crazy thing is, I could have done all of this twice as fast. Indeed, some YouTube creators break through very early on, and I've analyzed several such cases and the reasons they could grow so fast in this video here. Thank you so much for watching me today. Have a great day. Bye!